Unboxing and review of L'or Barista machine by Philips. The box did arrive damaged, but all the contents on the inside were perfectly fine and were easy to remove. The package itself contains a coffee maker and 30 capsules. I was actually able to snag this deal for around $78 US. The overall packaging was very well done, and all the contents were easy to remove, and the instructions were very clear and legible. There were very few plastic bags included in the packaging, and overall, I'd say that the packaging was very sturdy, and the cardboard should be easily recyclable. The build quality is fantastic, and this is evident from the first moment you remove it from the box and realize there is some real weight behind it. The unit itself was very easy to set up, and in under 10 minutes I had the unit plugged into the wall and had water running through it so I could get ready to be able to make my first cup of coffee. The pods themselves seem to be very high quality, and the machine is very fast and responsive to use. The machine started brewing within just a few seconds of me picking out which coffee size I wanted. Even though the machine did drip for about 15 to 20 seconds after brewing, the pod disposal system worked great and the cup of coffee tasted excellent, and I highly recommend this machine. Please like, share, and follow me for more videos.